Hello, welcome to Ellie Toys. Finally, you can go to the movies in Heartlake City. We can once we finish building the set. This is the Lego Friends movie theatre. I was going to call it a cinema, but we already have a cinema. Well, we don't. Heartlake City doesn't, but Lego does. There's a modular that is a cinema. Anyway, so this is 451 pieces. It is $80 here in Australia, and it has got, let's see, how many bags do we have? 1, 2, 4. We have a counting problem because I missed out 3 in my counting, but there are 4 bags. We got a whole heap of these purple base plates. Wow, speaking so good already. We've barely even started. Got our sheet of stickers and we've got our instruction books. So that's all we need. So let's start with Andrea. Andrea has got a new skirt piece which actually has a print, like a little, like just a bit of colour there on the bottom. I love her gold sandals. She's all dressed up because actually this is not a skirt. This is supposed to be an integrated little short dress, a dressy dress, a cocktail style dress. This is gorgeous. This is really, really, really lovely. I love the massive big bow on the front. Oh gosh, okay, and did I mention the printing on the bottom of the skirt? There is printing on the bottom of the skirt, which is a new thing for Lego Friends, and I loves it. It's so good. She has got a pen, which is a very random thing to take to the movies with you, but she also has got a piece of paper, which I'm going to pretend is actually her autograph book. So she's here to get an autograph because this is a VIP night at the movies. It's red carpet night. What is this? Why does this feel weird? This feels like really... There's like a big flick at the bottom of the skirt, which I'm sure I feel really strange straightening her bottom like this. This is different though, I think. Is this so that she actually sits a bit more stably? So, well, does she sit any more stably? I'm not sure. So her skirt definitely feels different on the back. It's like it goes in further and flicks out further. I'm going to get another piece, skirt piece. So there we go. This is the same sort of thing in pink, but with no printing on the bottom. Does that look shorter? That looks shorter. Is it just because it's sitting back? Let me put it in line with her other skirt. Oh my gosh, it is. So that it's the new one is a little bit longer at the back and it seems to go in a little bit further. Wow, okay, so it seems to be like minusculely different skirt piece for the new printing on it. Okay, that's exciting and interesting, but not as interesting as the fact we have got a Lego Friends movie star now. This is Amelia, and I have no idea of her backstory yet, but she's obviously a movie star, and because it just says in the description of the box, and she's got the most fantastic formal outfit here, you know, red carpet gear. Massive pearl necklace on the top. This is some seriously elegant formal gear, and she is makeupped to the nines as well with red pouty lips and some serious eyebrow game. Her eyeliner's gorgeous. Her hair is shiny and quiffed and kind of like in a 50s movie star style. She looks gorgeous. Okay, so movie star's ready. We've got another character too, which we also have not seen in his current Lego Friends form. This is Julian, and there was a Julian before the Lego Friends reboot, but I'm not sure that Julian and this Julian is supposed to be the same Julian. That's too many Julians. Anyway, this guy is the usher here at, well, it's a part-time job at the, I have to check. I just have to see whether he's got, no, okay, so the boy torsos are still in the old form. I just need to keep checking these things. He's got a new, oh my gosh, male with glasses. Yay, he's about blinking time, gotta tell you. So he has got glasses, which is epic, and he's also got Superman hair. He's very cute with his curl in the middle of his forehead. Okay, so we've got Julian, who is all dressed up in his fancy Usher gear, ready for the VIP night at the movies. So here are the 3 mini dolls that come in the set, and to have 2 brand new ones and an entirely new outfit for Andrea is pretty exciting. Right, I'm like more than pretty exciting, like super duper exciting. So let's put the movie theatre together, see how all of this works and whether this is, you know, whether this is a worthy movie theatre for Heartlake City, because we've waited a very long time for these poor girls and guys to be able to go to the movies. So yeah, this is better be good. It'll be good, whatever. I'm gonna like it. You know I'm gonna like it. So I have no idea what we're building it apart from a movie theatre. This bit here is, it's a, I'm gonna, I was gonna say, I didn't want to say what I thought it was just in case I was wrong, but I'm pretty sure now that we got 2 seats. We've got some movie theatre seats, and oh good, we've got more than 2. I was afraid we'd only have 2 seats in this movie theatre, but we've actually got 5, which means that all of the Lego Friends girls can actually come to the theatre at some stage. They could all go to the movies together, but they can't bring dates because no, there's not enough seats, unless the dates want to stand, which is also fine. And of course we need popcorn. This one's just been left over here on the side. But very importantly are the enormous drinks that you get at the movies. So you drink them and you need to go to the toilet halfway through the movie and you have to go, excuse me, and everybody has to get out of your way and you're interrupting everybody's movie. So we've got these all-important slushy drinks here. We've got red version, we got the green version, and they're just basically, you know, colour and food colouring and sugar. Oh, okay, moving on. We've actually got, this is the massive movie screen, and it's got, does that hurt? Like, I think that might be Amelia with the purple hair. But once again, I have no backstory on this, so I'm just making it up as I go along. This is obviously our premiere, what we're seeing here, and it's about some movie with two girls in a car. And one's got purple hair and one's got blonde hair. Wonder if the other girl with the blonde hair is Roxy. Maybe Roxy, Stephanie's sister, has actually made it in the movies. And mind you, then she'd probably be in this set. I don't know. I'm just making backstories up here now, willy-nilly, and it's going to get very confusing. So we've got these now on some big Technique brackets. So that holds the movie screen up at a really good height. That looks good. And the reason it's like this is, I'll show you at the end, because it can actually put your iPhone on it and they can watch the movie of your choice. So you can choose what they're going to watch. We've got some big speakers up here at the front, so it's not quite, you know, Dolby surround sound, but yeah. It's enough. You don't need all that sound, do you? You probably do. Okay, we're up to bag number 2, and this is the bag that Julian actually comes in. I forgot to tell you that I actually pinched these characters out of the other bags. He is the usher, so obviously he's in charge of all of the treats, so he's got the popcorn. And if he's in this bag, does that mean we are now going to be making the treat kiosk? Because that is a really, really important part of going to the movies. It's also a really expensive part about going to the movies. So we've got a couple of red steps going up, I'm assuming, to where we're going to have a door, and it's a very small red carpet currently, but there's some very pretty lights on the side, and it's obviously going to be quite a small movie theatre if it's just here in Heartlake City, so having a premiere here in Heartlake City is pretty awesome. So we got the red carpet rolled out, or maybe that's just part of the movie theatre all the time. This part here is hinged, so it opens and shuts. We're going to see why as we build it. This is cool! This is not just some static building. You can actually move it around and compose it the way you want it to be, depending upon how you're actually playing with it at the time, or how you want to display it. So here is our door, and it's got the necessary star on it as a what do you call those things? A door handle. That's it. Words. That's so hard. And this goes on the other side of the door. It's looking, you know, these people who complain about Lego Friends Set, and by people I mean probably my male counterparts who go, oh, Lego Friends Sets have got so much pink and purple in them, I wouldn't want them. They're so wrong. I mean, look at all the fun stuff they're missing out on, and there's barely any pink in this. Now, we do have a $100 bill, which makes me very happy. It's not real, so, but it still makes me happy. And we've got a couple of nozzly things. So this is going to be where our, look at this, where the slushy dispenser is. So there's our red and blue. That's really cute and so simple. Oh, I want to extend this and make like a whole line of slushy machines in lots of different colors. Oh, it's like I've already been having all of those crazy colors. Okay, all right. So we've got our little kiosk over here. This is obviously where we can buy our treats. And okay, the cash register is here on the inside. Okay, this is the inside. So there's room there, just barely enough room there for Julian to stand, so he can dispense the popcorn. Out on the outside are some movie theatre promo things. So what do you call these? Like the big postery things. Have no idea what that one is. It's like Heartlake around the world, or maybe Hearts in Space. And this is going to go on either side of this side here. So if he turns around, maybe this, oh, okay, I was about to say maybe this is our popcorn. Oh, I really wanted something like popcorn, but that's just the ticket sales side. So that's the ticket sales side, and the other side only has slushies, and he just magics the popcorn into existence because Julian's amazing. So there's no popcorn maker in here. So the popcorn is magically made, which is how popcorn's made, because it is magical. I mean, first it's these little yellow things, and then it's this white fluffy stuff. It is amazing. It must be magic. Couldn't possibly be science. Right, but no popcorn's machine, which saddens me a little bit. I think this is going to need expansion, this set, for some, like a proper candy bar as well. Okay, plans. I've started making them. I haven't even finished building this yet. But this actually flips to the side and to the front. We're up to bag number 3, which means we are building the other side because we've already got the whole little kiosky thing happening with no popcorn machine. This is the other side of the front entryway with the red... Oh, yes. Okay, so we've doubled the size of our red carpet entryway thing. That's nice. That's going to be a bit more of an entry, a bit more of a fancy entry for Amelia. And I don't know what else we're actually putting over here. There's the starlet star and the gold chain that you must not cross. You cannot cross this or you will get in serious trouble. Do not touch the movie star. Okay, so this is, if she stands here on these red carpets, she's going to actually, fall off when we open it, but it looks nice when it's all shut together. This is, we've already built one of these for the other side, so this goes here on this side of the door. What did I tell you? The red carpet's dangerous, man. Don't stand there. Here's the other side door, and then we need the other side of the other side's door, red bit with the yellow light. And yeah, this is looking really, really good. This is very, very fancy. And it's at this time of the build each time. It's the same like on the other side when I noted that the colours in this are fabulous and incredibly generic and will fit into any scenario, whether it's your Heartlake city or your city or wherever you want it to be. So we've got a toilet door on the other side, which is unisex, got the boy and the girl on it because there's not enough room for 2 toilets in this build. It's way too small. And so okay, so I'm noting here that this is actually going to be the bathroom, and right outside the front of the bathroom is where the movie star gets to stand. So here's our toilet, and that's ironic. Oh, is it ironic? No, I don't think that's the right description of ironic. So we've got a tiny, tiny space there, but enough room for the bathroom, and then on the front of that is the special fancy place for movie star peoples. And this is an ad for the movie we're watching, and it's called blah, 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 blah. That's what I read from the bottom. But there is a Ferris wheel in the background, which is an enormous hint for the circus stuff that's coming in the middle of the year. And if there isn't circus stuff coming in the middle of the year, I'm going to be really disappointed because Lego Friends is hinting it everywhere. So this is the... Oh, okay, so this is the inside of the toilet with a mirror, and this is the outside of the toilet, or outside of the bathroom, with the backdrop for the photos to be taken, with the movie star on the other side of the bathroom. That's lovely. It's just lovely. We are short on space here. You got to put things where you can. Okay, some bits going here on the top to hold things together, and I love these rounded over aqua pieces to build out the middle. That's very classy. It's actually very, what period am I thinking of here? Is it Art Nouveau? Oh no, Art Deco. It's very Art Deco period, this architecture of this fantastic build. So this flips open, and so we can access from there, and the toilet's on that side, and then the toilet will close into where the movie theatre is, and you can go to the toilet from the movie theatre. That's really a fantastic design. We're up to bag number 4. Look at it so far. Oh my gosh. This looks fantastic. Right, bag number 4, not quite certain what else we have to build here, apart from kind of the decoration, because there's no second story, really, is there? Unless they have a deluxe movie theatre on the top, the IMAX or something, but I don't think so. This is a camera, so are we actually filming in here? Are we filming the movie in the movies? That seems a bit counterproductive to me. No, okay, so this is the projector that the movie is on and then being displayed onto the screen. Is that even still how, is that right? No, that's not right. That needs to go up there. Is this even still how they do movies these days? Do they still project from a second story up in the movie theatre? I actually don't know. I kind of imagine they didn't and everything was done digitally these days. But this looks great. It adds a nice authenticity to it. There's a little seat up here where Julian's going to have to come up here and be in control, make sure that the reel on the movie projectory thing doesn't catch fire or overheat, or I don't know why I went straight to catch fire. The movie film used to be made of cellulose, which is quite flammable, but generally it's just, unraveling problems. That could have been a thing. Now I'm pretty sure that big blue heart is new, a big blue heart, and I have no idea what, is this a slide or some more stairs? Red heart too. I haven't seen a red heart in a Lego Friends set. So this is not a big slide. This is the signage at the very top, and it has to split in half. So we've got one half of the now playing, which is going to, and this side's obviously the other side, the the mirror image side. So we're going to be building it the same way as long as I get it right. And on this one, now playing a HLC story, which feels weird to me because you're supposed to say "and" before H. An HLC story, or a Heartlake City story. And they're not quite lining up. Okay, so that's our signage on the top. What on earth is this? This is, we've got a whole row of lights going on, and on this side too. Oh, okay, so this is cinema. So it is a cinema. Ha! It's not just a movie theater, it's a cinema. And that just goes on one side, so you can still flick it open, but it obviously has to be centered. That's fantastic. It definitely is Art Deco. It looks so superb. Okay, so this is finished, and you can obviously, like I said before, you can put your own movie on there. Obviously I put one of my movies on so that I don't copyright anybody else's movies, but they can watch whatever you want in the comfort of their own movie theater now, or cinema as it says on the top. I'm going to call this the Lego Friends Cinema because it is. That's what the advertising says. All right, this is very cool. It's a little bit smaller than I'd hoped for, but it has almost everything we need apart from a candy bar and a popcorn thing. So I'm going to have to expand this one day. So make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think of the cinema, and tell me what you think the movie poster for that worldy thing with the heart and the spaceshipy thing is called. I want to know your thoughts. So let me know them in the comment. I'll be back with another video very soon, so check back. Okay, see you soon. Bye.